How to log in to Kiwi Bank account online? It is very simple. Go ahead and open a browser and search for Kiwi Bank. Then tap on the first suggestion shown and make sure that it is 100% Kiwi owned. Then simply tap on it and wait for the web page to load. So this is the official web page of the Kiwi Bank. Now, in order to log in to your Kiwi Bank, you will see the option of login at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and wait for it to load. So right here in this box, you can see there is access number and password. So right here in this dialog box, you can go ahead and enter the access number. Then if you have forgotten it, don't worry, because at the bottom you will see forgotten your access number. You can simply tap on it and you have to follow the following instructions and you'll be able to regain your access number or even a new one. And that is pretty much similar if you have forgotten your password as well. Then simply tap on login to the internet banking. And simply like that, you have your hands on your Kiwi Bank account online. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.